you sleeping well?
Only at night.
What does he have, doctor?
Well, I'm not certain yet. We need a blood test and an x-ray.
Blood test, x-ray, what's that?
Things to help me figure out what's wrong with you. I'll see you in a little while.
Yeah, if I'm still here.
I'm going to take a little blood with this so we can do the test.
Oh, it's gonna be hurt.
Yes, but only for a second.
Oh, I might need that blood.
Your body makes more.
Well,
Here in front of this.
Yes, he can't fly now. Oh. Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
No.
Oh, ow.
Oh.
It's over, Big Bird. You are very good. Yes. Now I'm going to get you a ride to X-ray.
Can I go home now?
No, Big Bird, I'm sorry, not yet.
Oh, Maria, they keep
They're talking at me.
taking things. My blood, my temperature. They took my blood pressure twice. And I'm still not better. Oh, this is boring. And it's scary, too, a little. You won't go away, will you?
No, of course not. But you know, Big Bird, it takes time to get well.